Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Kendia's World. Today we're doing a quick tutorial on these gorgeous space buns. If you would like to see how I accomplish this quick 10-minute style, stay tuned. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below what you guys think, and subscribe. Okay guys, so I took out my bantu knots. I did not wash my hair. I'm just going straight in. I already parted my hair down the middle with my rat tail comb. I didn't show that part, but get help. Like, if you need help parting your hair down the middle, get help. You know, if you don't have help, try the best you can. I did mine by myself. I just took my rat tail comb, went all the way back, and then took my gel and put it in my part, and then did it over again. And I just used my phone to kind of look in the mirror to see, you know, if it was straight or not. And it looks good to me. I don't know if it's like completely straight, but it looks good to me. So without further ado, let's get into it. We're gonna do this side first. We're gonna do some space buns today. So I'm gonna start off with spraying my hair with water. Baby. Okay. Hold on. So like I said, my hair is not shampooed. So I'm going in with some conditioner. This is the conditioner I use. I don't have a top for it, but this is the conditioner I use. It's so good. I'm going in with conditioner and I'm putting it on my hair because my hair is not moisturized and it's very dry. My scalp is very dry, but I need a quick style right quick. So yeah. Next, we're going to brush this brush. Ooh, y'all know what would be cute? Like a little cute mohawk. I think that'd be really, really cute. I might do that one day. Like an afro mohawk. I've always wanted to do one of those. Afro mohawk. Okay, so now that it's like that, I don't want it like completely, I don't want my hair completely straight. I'm gonna spray my hand with my water bottle. And I'm just gonna put it on the front part because I want it to be like wavy kind of because of the hair that I'm using. And I'm gonna show y'all guys the hair that I'm using. Okay. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go in with our Shining Gem. I use this red Shining Gem for everything. I need to stop doing that. The yellow Shining Gem works just fine for these quick styles. But yeah. And you're just gonna go around your whole parts with this. You put more in the front. I'm putting more in the front because I am gonna end up doing low buns today. So I'm putting more in the front. But yeah, you just use as much as you need to use. Not a lot though. I don't use like a lot, but I know like in the front it's hard for my hair to lay down, so I use a lot in the front, especially when I'm doing like low ponytails and stuff like that. So yeah. Okay, next we're gonna take our brush. Take our brush and brush all of this down. Yeah, I be looking so serious in my hair videos. I can't help it. Now that all that's brushed in, we're gonna take our scrunchie. Cause I want mine's low. Low and laid to the side, baby. mine's low. We're gonna take our scrunchie and we're gonna put our scrunchie around town. Okay. Ooh. Yes, honey. I'm gonna put a little more gel just because I see two spaces that I don't want in my hair. Ooh. Okay, so I love my natural hair, y'all, but today we're gonna use some wet and wavy hair to do our space buns. Because I really want that kind of like curly, more curly defined effect without having to, you know, do extra to get the defined curls. This hair was given to me by a friend, but I think they got it from the hair store. They got it from the hair store. It said $9.99 on the pack. So yeah, this is the color 2, I believe, and this is what we're gonna be using. All right, so we're just gonna take our hair and separate it, and it's gonna be like a funky little braid, y'all. A very funky little braid. Okay. I want my low puff to be very big and spacious. I'm finna feather this, like pull this apart a little bit, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I pulled my hair apart, and it looks like this. I didn't want to pull it like all the way apart where it'd be like super big. So I just pulled it apart a little bit. I'm gonna tease it more when I actually install it in my head, but it should look like this. The curl should become looser, way looser when you pull it apart. So now I'm gonna take my hair like this, split it into 2, and then I'm gonna put this hair on top of this hair and like do it like that. So it should look like, it should be like, you know, like that. Like you're doing like a traditional braid. Okay, so like you're doing a traditional box braid, you're gonna pull these 2 strands together to make 1, and then you're gonna put your fingers through here to make, split this into 2. Just like how you would start off with three strands of, you know, when you do braiding, when you do your regular braid for box braid. Okay, and now you're just going to install this by just braiding it down. I'm not gonna braid it down all the way, but I am braiding it down. Yeah, look at, I got a pimple inside my head, but don't mind that. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so now we're gonna start twisting this around. And you want to make sure that your hair that you have braided up is covered, all right? Okay, y'all. And then to secure it, we're gonna take a rubber band. Ooh, and then I think I want some hair pulled out. That's real cute. I like that. Let me see my box. Huh? Thank you. That's really, really cute. I like that. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this side. with my Style Factor Edge Control. This is the peach one. I love this one. It smells so good. This is the only thing right now that I can find that can lay my edges down. It does turn white, so be careful with like using a lot of it. Do not use a lot of it because it does turn white. I'm gonna just do my edges right quick so I can be looking cute. I love it. This is a quick style. It took me literally 10 minutes. So this is a quick, you know, you can use this for your when you go into school, wake up early and get ready for school and stuff. Like, this is really cute. You can do this with your natural hair. I just chose to add hair because I wanted a certain look. And I'm not doing nothing big with the edges, doing little swoops. Just doing little swoops. I don't know where my edge brush is, so I'm just going in and swooping. Going in and swooping. I usually tie my hair down with a hair tie thing, but I'm not going to use the hair tie thing today. Today I'm going to use my rapid strips. I'm so excited because I've been trying to find these for so long, but I haven't been able to. But I finally found some, so I'm going to use my rapid strip. Okay, we're going to leave this on for a little bit. Hi guys, so I'm back. I just finished my makeup. Like, stop. Like, I love this look. It's very cute, very quick and easy. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about this hairstyle. Let me know some styles that you guys want to see, or like, you know, some styles that y'all want to try but y'all haven't tried yet because y'all scared to try it. Let me know. It is natural. It is safe for natural hair. You can do this with your natural hair, but I chose to do to add weave. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, ring the bell, you know, so you can get notifications every time I post. Yeah, I love you guys so much. All right. I'll see you guys in the next video.